Hey guys, it's May 16, 2018. This is just going to be a quick update of what I've been doing. So the herbs are the same, and right here you can see I transplanted the succulents, and then I repotted the rosemary, and then the carrots I also repotted it. And these all look the same. I moved around some of the plants, like the mulberry, and then the grape, I transplanted it into this bigger ceramic pot. And you can see the characteristic grape tentacle thing. And then I also transplanted the succulent and also the poppy. I also transplanted that. Hopefully we'll get some flower. And I removed the moss from the Venus flytrap. I transplanted the garlic and then moved the bulb plant over here, as well as the snowdrop. And you can see behind the snowdrop there's a few pots covered with aluminum foil. Those are the saffron and Persian tulip, trying to shield it from water. And I moved the daffodil over there. I transplanted the strawberries right here. These are the new ones of different varieties. As you can see, the leaves are gone because I forgot to water them and they're dried up. So now it's just that. And these are the old strawberries. And I also transplanted the beet into this long pot. So now we have a long pot of beet and strawberry. And I moved the asparagus over here. I also moved the artichoke over here. And as you can see, that's probably gonna be ready for harvest soon. And this tiny one, don't know when. And I moved the dahlia over here. And as you can see, I repotted the potatoes in the big pot and moved other plants to other places, and the flower is coming up pretty soon. Other than that, everything is pretty much the same. Rhubarb, hyacinth, I moved them over here, and I repotted the tomatoes. So yeah, they're in this big mash pot right now. So yeah, I cleaned up the garden, I organized stuff, rearranged stuff, repotted stuff, so now it looks cleaner. Hopefully it would stay this way. And as for the indoor garden, you can see I mounted one of the staghorn fern, which is on this board now. It's looking pretty good. And yeah, other than that, the other plants are pretty much the same. I hanged a lot of different plants, and I also mounted the Phalaenopsis orchid. And yeah, everything is pretty much the same. And these are the things I've been working on. Oh, and I broke up another staghorn fern just yesterday, so guess I have to wait for it to grow roots and mount it just like this one.